Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find roaming oak timber and flawless fluorite in Heartopia. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to find roaming oak timber and flawless fluorite in Heartopia. So these are two important materials used for the crafting furniture, and the good news is that you can collect each of them once per day, and their locations change every day. Sometimes they will appear in front of a player house, and other times they will spawn in their original areas. Like for flawless fluorite can normally be found around on Sand Mountain, while roaming oak timber is usually in spirit oak forest. And just keep in mind that their locations will reset every day at 6 a.m. separate time, so be sure to check again after the daily reset. And then for today's locations, roaming oak timber is in front of house number 8. This area, you can see it. You can see it for this tree, and then for the flawless fluorite is on and for the flawless fluorite is in front of the house number 5 over here, this one. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.